Okay, this is Meg and the ball thrower. All right, Meg, brand new ball. Take it. Here. Okay, you know what to do. Put it in the bucket. Meg, no. Put it in the bucket. Good girl. All right. Good girl, bring it back. Put it in the bucket. Good girl, Meg. I'm such a proud mom. Good girl. Oh, no, put it in the bucket. Meg, put it in the bucket. Or down that way is fine too. That works. Good girl.